Hi everyone! Welcome back to the vlog and we are here now in Kota. So, andito kami sa hotel na few minutes lang walking to the airport for tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow we have a flight to catch in the afternoon. And I have some video to show you. Mga antikels, this is filmed with my phone. And I was thinking talaga kanina noon na ma-stuck jud mi sa road. Akala namin dahil hindi na magwo-work yung motorbike, but that was really good motorbike kay naka-survive jud siya sa flood, no? Paglabas namin dito sa hotel, mga ilang walk lang all the way to the sa main road, nag-flood din siya. So yung may-ari ng motorbike, pinuntahan niya yung motorbike dito para dito niya kukunin. My suitcase, wait now. Huh? Puta ka siya. Huh? Mga tickets? Grabe. Are you okay? I don't know. So, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog too much today kay for safety, we are so dry. We are so wet. Oh, yung pants ko dahil as in taga dito talaga umabot talaga sa aking paa yung tubig, no? Umakyat talaga. Now, I'm so thankful kasi kumain kami, nag-stop over kami somewhere. So, itong hotel na to, ito talaga yung hotel na lagi naming iniistihan every time na pupunta kami sa Bali. Kasi walking distance lang siya sa airport, and then yung mga amenities na kailangan namin like motorbike, rent ng motorbike is malapit lang siya before kami mag-drive around sa valley. And this is our dry clothes, wet clothes I mean. And that's my husband. Hello, thank you for driving me today. Thank you for driving today in the dry weather.
I was just saying, without driving, I wouldn't get back here either.
So, the room is very basic, but it's nice and clean and big. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the vlog. So, today is our last day in Bali, and we are going to airport around 12 o'clock, but I'm not sure 12 o'clock is gonna be raining, so nagpack lang ako sa aking mga thingy camerot. Hi! Welcome to the vlog. Andito na kami ngayon sa airport, mga antikels, and nag-walking lang kami, and sobrang talaga kasi dahil nag-flooding doon sa daanan na usually kung saan kami dumadaan, and it's a lot of water flood. So that was really a good idea na pumunta kami dito early, dahil kung nagpaantay-antay pa kami later, then I'm pretty sure nga na-adjoy magbagot-bot. So, yeah, na ako ng boarding pass. Naka-fill up na ako sa boarding pass. So, antay na lang kami dito ng mga ilang oras day, alas 3:55 pa yung kuan, 15:55 pa. Ayan, tapos na kami sa aming gate and immigration and everything. That was fast, pero yun nga lang, kuan kining ang bigat ng aming mga backpack dahil nasira kasi yung ano namin, yung isang malita. May So now we are already inside in the, alam nyo na, mga shopping center. So, sir, are you okay? Take some cart, my love. So, number 6 tayo, guys. Kukuha lang kami ng cart kay... That was really fast check-in kasi it's meron na silang tawag nito dahil kining automatic machine para sa passport. So yeah, we got our last day visa today. Nag-email sa akin yung immigration. Now we have to go out to the country. My love, the immigration sent me an email. They said that it's your last day in Bali, Indonesia. So, don't forget to get out the country.
Get out.
Ayan, we're going to the gate now. Nagbili lang ako ng water kay kailangan ko ng medication ngayon and siguro mga 30 minutes before boarding. So, andun si Mr. Nagpabili lang ako ng water. And yeah, let's go. Pagdating namin sa Thailand, kailangan naming magbili ng bagong suitcase. Kay nasira na yung suitcase ko dahil. So, that's our agenda. At saka sandal ni Mr. At saka sandal ko kay murag feel lang ko dahil. Inig-adto na to anig koan matanggal dyan ni. if we're going to the island, wala na ni Dad. Retire na niya among mga sandal kay sige kabasa. I'm so pretty this time will come. I'm so pagod. Pagod pod. As in, gikapoy ko mga antik kaya sakit kaya ako ang kuan kining abaga. You have everything, yeah? Huh?
Attention for Mr. Zhuang Hao Chen. Mr. Zhuang Hao Chen.
You're where I belong. You're where I belong. With you by my side.